I'm taking the line of hair with 2 clips on it and positioning it on one side, and then another set to position on the other side. We can begin working on the leave out. I added a little more water to it because it was drying out. I need my hair to be super wet when I add gel to it to make sure it's super defined. Do the same thing to the other side. This time I'm going to take the gel and really slick this side down. So for the big curly look, you want to go ahead and take a pick to fluff the hair out and give it volume. You can go ahead and dye these clip-ins. I did not because I didn't even dye my own hair, and eventually my hair will be black again. For the fronts, I took this small line of hair with just 1 clip on it, and I'm inserting it within my leave out, and so it'll give me less leave out and give a more natural look. I didn't know my head wasn't in the camera, but that is basically it. Play around with it until you get it how you like. Thank you so much for watching this transformation. Oh,